Hi guys, so this is a surprise pop-up live from LovenStamps, but I'm really excited to announce that I'm going to start doing LovenStamps studio tours to help you organize your crafting spot from A to Z and everything in between. My plan is to do daily installments at about 9:30 in the morning Central Time, so you want to tune in during weekdays, Monday through Friday. This is just our surprise kickoff, which is at a little bit different time, and you'll want to on Facebook click to be notified when I go live so that you are right on top of it whenever everything happens. So, all right, so whether your space is big or small, whether it's dedicated or you are pulling stuff out of a closet every time you want to sit down and stamp and create, you are going to find tips and ideas for how to make your crafting time as much as it can be by keeping the right supplies at your fingertips. Today's topic is cardstock. So see if I can. Okay, so today's topic is cardstock. So actually, let's step into my cardstock storage and I will tell you more. So, all right, so this is how I keep my cardstock. And what I usually do is I have these bins. They are from IKEA. They're super inexpensive, 4 for a couple dollars, 5 for a couple dollars. But I keep my cardstock organized by color package. And what I find is that every little scrap, I hate to cut into a full sheet of cardstock when I want just, a little tiny bit. So for every color of cardstock, I keep a partial package. So here's Seaside Spray is a good example. I keep a partial package that's open, so my full sheets. And then I just keep a page protector. And that is where I put all my scraps. So pretty much no matter how little the scrap is, okay, if we're talking like 1/2 centimeter by 1 centimeter, then it goes in the garbage. But otherwise, anything other than that goes right in here. And then those are stored together in my cardstock bin. I like to keep my cardstock by Stampin' Up! Colors. So I think we'll go up a little bit. My colors are organized by family, so subtles and the brights, and then the regals are down here, and then my in colors. And then below are my neutrals, you can't see. But you're wondering maybe about this bin here. So what's this extra bin for that's empty? This is the keep my stuff right at my fingertips bin. So usually when I design, I pick like a package of designer series paper or a color scheme before I sit down to stamp. And then I just go to my stamp closet and I pick out the colors. So if I was going to use Bumblebee, I'd grab my Bumblebee. I might need some Cajun Cray, so I'd grab that. And then, maybe a Night of Navy to go with it. And so I'd grab like my Night of Navy scraps and they would go in here too. Then I take this over to my workspace and create, okay? So then I have to go refile. But honestly, when it's all kind of organized, it's not a big deal. So if you have a way that you keep your cardstock scraps, make sure you leave a note in the comments. Everybody has different styles. Some people keep their scraps in a bin, like a plastic bin, and then they just sort through for what they want, or they sort every so often. I found that this style works really well for me, but everybody has different stuff that works for them. So, all right. So if you enjoyed the tour, I would love it if you would love or like the video, and then maybe share it with a friend who crafts or has stamping as their hobby, or really any creative thing, because we're going to share a lot of cool organizational tips here that will benefit any crafter. Leave a comment if there's something that you would like to see as a topic for LovenStamps Studio Tours. And I think that's it. So I will tune in on Monday with another LovenStamps Studio Tour organizational tip. Oh, and maybe you'd like to know what's next? Next will be designer series paper, which we all know it's kind of super awkwardly sized at 12 by 12. It doesn't always fit on a bookshelf very well. The containers like made from the craft store are pretty expensive to buy for it. So I'm going to give you some really good tips on designer series paper. So I will see you Monday around 9:30 in the morning Central Time. And until then, happy stamping. Bye guys.